Alright, so here I am about to eat some Diatomaceous Earth, which apparently is food grade earth that you can eat. That apparently tastes and feels like sand in your mouth pretty much. Slightly chewable. You're supposed to swallow like a pill apparently. And it's supposed to be good for you and it tastes fucking terrible, so we're gonna see how this is. They say about they say it should take 3 teaspoons a day. So there you go. Can't get much more hippie than eating some fucking earth, really. Oh my god. It's like doing the cinnamon challenge. Mm. 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 So yeah, that's what it looks like to eat some earth. That's what it looks like. And remember, kids, tell your parents, pick up some diatomaceous earth. 100% diatomaceous earth. Do not inhale product. Okay, so it's earth you can inhale, or it's earth you can eat, not earth you can smoke. Remember that. Ah, hell. One more for good luck. Nice one. That fat one. Need some sand. I'll put in shit sandpaper. My intestines are gonna be itchy. Yep, definitely. Diatomaceous earth. Apparently what it is like deposits in the ground. And there's like a certain amount of deposits of diatomaceous earth. And they're filled, it's pretty much what I'm told is you're pretty much eating ground fossils. Like nutrients and stuff that are like, that are millions of years old or something. I don't know. I don't know, I just ate it and it tastes pretty terrible. It's pretty gross. You want some? What do you think of the taste of Diatomaceous Earth, cat? Do you like it? That's a no.